Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to show you guys how to do a quick uninstall and install the new wipers for your Tesla. Okay, so here are the parts number. I don't know if you can see it there, right? This is for the long one, and this is for the shorter one. So it's been a little bit over 3 years, so I just feel like it's time to replace it. And here's the one that I pulled out. You can see, I guess I can still use it for maybe another year because it's not brittle. Everything looks still okay. But for me, I just I don't want to bother with it when it rains, so I just want to remove it. So here I'm going to show you how to do it. I forgot to mention before we get started with that, we got go into the car menu, and then we got to go to the service menu, and then you see over here where it says wiper service mode. You got to click on it. I already clicked on it. That's why it shows blue now. And then what it does is it lifted your wipers all the way up like that, so it's easy for you to do the install, right? All right. So do you see this little square right here? You press it down, and then you press this down, and then you pull it out. Right, so I don't know if I can I'm sorry, I only have one hand. I cannot really show you how to do it, but it's really simple, and believe me on this. One hand you press down the square button, and the other one you press that down, and you just pull it out that way. And remember, when you pull it out, when you release this, release it gently. Don't let it slams against your windshield wiper, okay? And then, to be honest with you, this is by far one of the easiest windshield wipers I've ever done, right? And then once we're done with this, you just go back into the service menu, and then just click with the wipers, and then it should go back out. Release it, and then there you go. It's gone. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Just want to make it quick and easy. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, feel free to give it a like. And if you like Tesla content, make sure you subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.